What if I told you that the secret to getting your morning wood back might be a simple nightly oil rub? I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes, and I'm a urologist. I know that for many men, especially those of you over 50, the slow disappearance of a morning erection can be a source of anxiety. It's often the first warning sign that something has changed. It can make you feel disconnected from your body, less confident, and less vital. The truth is, a morning erection is a direct natural sign of a healthy circulatory system and proper nerve function. As a doctor, I see countless men who are desperate for a solution. They try pills and supplements, but they're missing a simple, natural, and incredibly effective method: a nightly massage with the right kind of oil. Today, I'm going to share a simple, urologist-approved ritual. It's a method that can help improve blood flow, restore nerve sensitivity, and support the return of your morning vitality. We'll talk about the specific oils you can use, why they work, and the exact technique to perform this massage. Stick with me because this isn't about a quick fix. This is about reclaiming your health and confidence, one night at a time. Before we get to the specific oils and the massage technique, let's talk about the science behind this practice. I want you to understand why this isn't just an old wives' tale, but a method grounded in anatomical and physiological principles. A healthy erection, and by extension, a healthy morning erection, relies on two critical factors working in perfect harmony: robust blood flow and sensitive nerves. As we age, our bodies experience natural changes. The inner lining of our blood vessels, called the endothelium, can become less elastic, and the nerves that send the crucial signals for arousal can become less responsive. This is a progressive process that can be accelerated by years of poor diet, chronic stress, a sedentary lifestyle, or underlying medical conditions like hypertension and diabetes. Essentially, the pipes get clogged and the wires get frayed. A nightly massage with a safe, nourishing oil can help on three key fronts, directly addressing these age-related changes. First, the act of massage itself is a direct and powerful way to stimulate blood flow. By applying gentle, consistent pressure to the skin and underlying tissues, you are physically encouraging circulation to the area. This tactile stimulation helps to open up capillaries and arterioles, those tiny blood vessels that are often the first to constrict. Think of it as a conscious, manual way to improve the health and function of your local vascular network. This is particularly important for promoting blood flow to the penis, which is the foundational requirement for an erection. Second, the right oil can provide a layer of hydration and nourishment to the skin and underlying tissue, helping to restore sensitivity. The skin of the penis is delicate and can become dry and less responsive over time. Using a quality oil keeps the skin supple and healthy, and the physical sensation of the massage itself can help to wake up dormant nerve endings. It's a way of reestablishing the mind-body connection that is so crucial for sexual function. And third, certain oils contain properties that can help relax muscles and calm the nervous system, which are both absolutely crucial for a healthy erection. As you know, stress and anxiety are major erection killers because they trigger your body's fight or flight response, constricting blood vessels. The soothing nature of a gentle massage combined with the beneficial properties of the oils themselves can help lower cortisol levels and induce a state of relaxation. This allows your body to shift out of fight or flight and into rest and digest, which is the state required for a healthy, robust erection. When it comes to this type of massage, you need to be extremely careful about what you use. The goal is to nourish and stimulate, not to irritate, cause a reaction, or do long-term harm. The wrong oil can lead to a rash, inflammation, or even damage to the delicate tissue. With that in mind, here are a few oils that are safe, effective, and widely available at your local grocery store. The first one, a simple and powerful choice, is extra virgin olive oil. This is a fantastic choice because it's not just a cooking staple, it's a wellness powerhouse. It's rich in monounsaturated fats and powerful antioxidants like oleocanthal, which is known for its anti-inflammatory properties. While these benefits are well documented when olive oil is consumed, topically, it provides a very slick, nourishing, and stable base for your massage. It helps to reduce friction, allowing you to perform the massage effectively without causing any irritation to the skin. It's also a non-comedogenic oil, which means it won't clog pores, and it's full of vitamins E and K, which are great for skin health. The second oil, which is a favorite of many men for a number of reasons, is unrefined coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in medium chain triglycerides, or MCTs, which are easily absorbed by the skin. It has natural moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties due to its high concentration of lauric acid. It's a very gentle oil and it can help calm sensitive tissue. Many men find its consistency perfect for massage, as it is solid at room temperature but melts into a smooth liquid on contact with your skin. This makes it mess-free and very easy to work with, and it's widely available at any grocery store. For a deeper, more therapeutic effect, you can consider adding a few drops of a specific essential oil to your chosen carrier oil. Now, a very important warning: you must never use an essential oil undiluted directly on your skin, especially on a sensitive area like your penis. Essential oils are extremely concentrated and can cause severe chemical burns or allergic reactions. You must always dilute it first in a carrier oil like olive or coconut oil at a ratio of 1 or 2 drops of essential oil per teaspoon of carrier oil. With that warning in mind, one essential oil you can consider is ginger oil. Ginger is a natural vasodilator, a property that has been studied in medical research. When used topically and properly diluted, it can help promote blood circulation and has a gentle, natural warming sensation that can help wake up the tissue. Another great option is rosemary oil. Rosemary is known for its antioxidant properties and is believed to help with circulation. It has a fresh, invigorating scent that can also have a calming effect on the nervous system. A third option would be sandalwood oil, which is known for its calming and grounding effects on the mind and body. Again, just a few drops of any of these in a carrier oil is all you need. Now that you have your oil, let's talk about the simple yet incredibly effective technique to perform this nightly ritual. The goal is to be gentle, consistent, and focused. This is a practice of self-care, not a performance. First, take a few minutes before bed to consciously de-stress. You can do this by taking a warm shower to relax your muscles, or simply by sitting on the edge of your bed and taking a few slow, deep breaths. This is a crucial first step because it helps your mind and body shift out of fight or flight mode and into a more relaxed state, which is the necessary state for an erection. Once you feel calm and centered, apply a small amount of your chosen oil to your hands. Rub them together to warm the oil. The warmth of the oil will feel comforting and will help with absorption. Begin by massaging the inner thighs near the groin. This area is a major pathway for blood vessels and nerves leading to the penis and the pelvic region. By gently massaging here, you are priming the entire vascular system for what's to come, helping to relax the muscles and promote circulation. Next, you can begin to gently massage the shaft of your penis, starting from the base and moving in slow, deliberate motions toward the head. Apply light, consistent pressure. The goal here is not to get an erection, but to nourish the tissue, stimulate the nerve endings, and promote circulation. You can use gentle circular motions or long, slow strokes. Be mindful of the sensation and focus on the feeling of the oil and the pressure. This is a moment to reconnect with your body without performance pressure. Finally, gently massage the perineum, which is the area between your testicles and your anus. This area is a critical hub packed with nerves and blood vessels that are essential for an erection. A gentle circular massage here can help release deep-seated tension in your pelvic floor muscles and stimulate blood flow to the entire region. This is a highly effective, yet often overlooked part of the process. Remember, consistency is key. Performing this simple massage for a few minutes each night can make a profound difference over time. Gentlemen, this nightly oil rub is not a magic cure. It is a simple, effective ritual that can help you feel more connected to your body. It can help improve circulation, restore sensation, and most importantly, provide the foundation for a healthier, more confident you. Remember, a lack of morning erections is often a sign of an underlying health issue like poor circulation, high blood pressure, or a hormonal imbalance. While this routine can help, it is not a substitute for seeing a doctor. If you are having persistent problems, please talk to a medical professional. The sooner you get to the root of the problem, the sooner you can get back to feeling like your best self. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more straight talk medical advice for men. And let me know in the comments below, what's one small change you've made that has made a big difference in your health? I'm Dr. Charlotte Hayes. Stay well, and I'll see you in the next video.